Have you ever walked past the same tree in summer and again in winter and noticed it hasn't changed at all, while the one next to it has lost every leaf? That difference comes down to two completely different strategies for surviving the cold, and how each tree manages water. Deciduous trees like oaks, maples, and most fruit trees grow broad, thin leaves that are brilliant at catching sunlight but useless once the ground freezes and roots can't draw up water. Before that happens, the tree seals off each leaf at its base and lets it go, which is why deciduous trees stand bare through winter. Conifers, like pines, firs, and cedars, take a different approach. Instead of broad leaves, they grow needles, a thinner rolled leaf shape coated in a thick wax layer that holds moisture in through freezing temperatures. Because there's no water crisis to escape, the tree never has to drop everything at once, which is exactly why it stays green all year and earns the name Evergreen. A lot of people assume evergreen needles last forever. They don't. Each needle typically lives 2 to 4 years, then drops and gets replaced, just on a rolling schedule instead of all at once. Palm trees and some tropical species complicate the picture further, staying green year-round while still shedding older leaves gradually underneath new growth. So the next time you're choosing a tree for your garden, that's the real trade-off. A deciduous tree gives you a garden that visibly changes through the year, color in autumn, bare branches in winter. An evergreen keeps its structure and privacy all year round, with far less mess concentrated into 1 week of raking. Trees across the world cover species like these every week, what they are, how to identify them, and the stories behind them. Every tree on your street made that trade-off long before you noticed it was there.